welcome to Random Stuff 77 and our special guest, Brianna Master. Today we're doing a special occasion video on the 4th of July, and now we're going to do some sparkler stuff, I guess. Make sure you keep it away from people. If we get it to light. Do it the other way.
I try mine.
No.
Give me a light pen.
Yeah, here you do it.
Okay, now we're going to have someone else light it. If you can light it. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! God! Oh man. It's green. Happy clapping. Smells awful. Woo! Joel, guys, say happy.
Woo!
Ouch.
Maybe?
My Aunt Danny, here she is, okay? And then, happy 4th of July, and bye, subscribe.